my name is Lisa. Welcome to Miss Lisa's Learning Hub. Today we're going to be talking about possessive pronouns. Remember, a pronoun is something that takes the place of a noun in the sentence. Pronouns would be words like he, she, it, or they. When it's a possessive pronoun, it means that it belongs to someone. So, possessive pronouns are words that show who owns or has something. So, possession always shows ownership. They are used instead of repeating the owner and the thing that they own. So, some examples would be mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. So, we would use these words instead of repeating the owner's name and what they own. So let's look at some examples. The ball belongs to me. So instead of saying the ball belongs to me, we could say the ball is, would we say the ball is mine, yours, his, her, ours, or theirs? Okay, so if the ball belongs to me, then it's going to be mine. So that would be our possessive pronoun that we would use to replace it. Let's look at the next one. The tickets belong to John and Maria. The tickets are, what do you think? So it's more than one person, so it has to be a plural. So we can't use mine or yours or his or hers. If it's plural, we can only use ours or theirs. But if it's John and Maria, it would belong to theirs. All right, the next one. The umbrella is his or him. Which word do you think makes sense? All right, if you chose his, you would be correct. Let's try another one. I think this jacket is your or yours. Okay, we would have to say that it is yours. And finally, the food in the fridge is ours or ours with an apostrophe S. Whenever we have apostrophe S, that shows possession. And I know we're talking about possessive pronouns, but possessive pronouns never have an apostrophe. They just have an S. So we would have to go with ours. All right, that's it for today. If you like what you saw, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comments. See you in the next one.